Do you want to know how you can add your Telegram wallet to your home screen? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your Telegram wallet to your home screen on your phone. There are two ways. The first way is to tap on your screen and go to widgets. Now search for Telegram and you can see that there are some of the widgets. If you don't find the wallet, go ahead and open Telegram and click on the three lines which you can see on the top left hand side and go to wallet. Now what you need to do is click on the three dots on the top right hand side and you can see add to home screen option. Go ahead and click add to home screen, click add. And if you go to your home screen, you can see that your wallet has been added to your home screen. So guys, this is how you add your Telegram wallet to your home screen. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.